Hi guys, so are you trying to upload a large file inside your WordPress website, but your web hosting only gave you a small upload file size limit? So let me tell you how you can modify that settings using a free plugin. Okay, so inside your WordPress website, you have to go to your media and click add new. So this way, makita mo if ilan or ano yung limit mo. So, in our case, we have here 256 MB, which is good enough, okay? Para i-upload yung mga resources and other files na kailangan. But for other hosting, meron lang silang binibigay na 2 MB or 10 MB, which is not good kung maglalagay ka ng mga resources na mas malaki sa file na yun. So what you have to do is download the free plugin. So plugins, punta ka dito, then click add new. And what we are looking here is the plugin. So type mo lang big file uploads. And from there, makikita mo ito yung plugin by Infinite Uploads. Click mo yung install now. After the activation, you can go to the settings. In here, you will see 256 MB, which is ito yung limit natin earlier. So we can modify this. Type mo lang yung file mo na prefer. Okay, the limit. Pwede ka rin mag-change into gigabyte or MB. So let's try the 500 MB and click save. And that's it. So when you go back sa media and add new, makikita mo na agad yung settings, which is here. So our maximum upload file size is now 500 MB. That's how you can modify your WordPress website upload file limit using a free plugin.